Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic sixth sense of project management. Friend, whenever we studied project management in university or you become certified PMP or you get the degree of project management from any university or institute. So maybe you think that it's well enough to execute a project. Now, friend, nowadays term used by PMI that is called as the sixth sense of project management. So, what is the basically the term of sixth sense of project management? Basically, friend, it is a term we used that rather just bookish knowledge or rather just terms used in the project management. There is something else as well, which is above than the bookish knowledge. That is the sixth sense of project management. So today we will discuss this term sixth sense of project management in detail, that what is the term that means sixth sense of project management and how we can use it in our projects. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. So friend, we were discussing that there are few things which are above than the bookish knowledge or the terms which we used in the books of project management, that is called as the sixth sense. Sixth sense first principle is based on 360-degree awareness. Whenever we are implementing projects, friend, we are getting multiple non-verbal cues, sharpen skills of perception in various situations. First of all, our awareness should be 360 degree. 360 means that, friend, whenever you sit with the senior management, whenever you sit with the customer side, whenever you talk with the team members, or your subordinates, you are getting some information. This information and this awareness is very important, and whenever you get some awareness, you some knowledge, you must have to get this knowledge, and you should be able to filter that knowledge properly. So 360-degree is the first principle of the sixth sense of project management. Then, friend, use your brain, heart and guts to make great decisions. Friend, first thing, that whatever the decisions you are making, your heart and your brain should be aligned with that. This should not be a case that you are making some decision only from the heart or only with the emotional basis. You should be able to take a decision which should encompass your whole body, like your own whole heart and your soul and your brain. Communicate straightforward through words and images. This is the third principle, friend. Friend, this is very important, that whatever you are communicating, it should be straight. Your words and your images, your thoughts should be clear, and you should clearly communicate. Achieving effective communication by using simple, clear, and language visual, so other people understand the message conveyed. This is very important, friend. Then the next thing is the adaptability. Adaptability means that learning to adjust to any situation while maintaining core beliefs and values. Friend, we know that whenever we are working in projects, we have to adopt multiple environments, several situations. So as a project manager, you should be able to adopt several and different environments. This is very important. That is called as the concept of adaptability. Then next principle is the diplomacy. Remember, friend, when think that as a project manager, you should be a diplomatic person. Remember one thing, that diplomatic means doesn't mean any negative sense. It means that you should have to work and you should have to take decisions with the consensus of all parties. Like whatever you are going to work, you should have to make sure that all parties are with you, all stakeholders are with you, and you should have to consider the interest and benefits of all stakeholders. Then the next one is the melt obstacle and visualize success. Friend, training oneself to keep the project moving forward despite roadblocks. This is the most important factor, friend, because whenever we are working on projects, we have to face multiple and several obstacles and problems. As a project manager, you should be able to moving forward, despite of multiple roadblocks and issues and bottlenecks. You should be able to be positive, be patient, and be moving forward. That is called as the sixth sense and the sixth ability. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.